morning. Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some very mild and pleasant conditions across the region this morning, seeing temperatures nearly 50 degrees as of 8 a.m. this morning at 49 degrees is the current time. We do have mostly cloudy skies across the region. Currently going to see those mostly cloudy skies continue throughout the day today with a good amount of cirrus cloudiness as well as some mid-level cloudiness throughout the day. Should see that mid-level cloudiness decrease as we move in the afternoon hours. Very slight chance of a sprinkle later on during the late afternoon, evening hours, but overall shouldn't see any precipitation as that chance is below 20%. We'll see no chances of lightning today. So a very nice day across the region, unseasonably mild once again for early February. We'll have this warm front continue to move north of our region today. We'll have a cold front that's currently across the Tennessee and Mississippi Valley moving towards the region. That's going to give us that very slight chance of a sprinkle. Overall should remain dry across the region today as this front doesn't have much moisture associated with it. So taking a look at our current observations: scattered deck at 7,000, broken deck at 8,500, overcast 25,000, winds are light out of the south of 6 knots, temperature 49 degrees, and relative humidity around 90%. Taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see we do have some cloud coverage across the region. That'll be the case for the day with mostly upper-level cloudiness, possibility of some mid-level cloudiness continuing lingering during the afternoon hours, but should stay VFR conditions for our sky today. As far as our HRRR model goes today, you can see it does remain to keep us dry throughout the daytime into the evening hours. Could see that brief sprinkle with any prefrontal showers trying to move through the region, but most likely won't occur across the area. So for today, we'll have a green chart for daytime hours. We'll see a high around 62 degrees, winds increasing out of the south, 9 to 14 knots, gusting to 20 knots during the afternoon. And we'll see a possibility of an evening low around 54, and then once again should see those temperatures drop down in the mid-50s during the day around dawn tomorrow morning. With our winds decreasing west-southwest 7 to 12 knots. We'll see some stronger winds as that front moves through the area or approaches the area southwest 12 to 17, gusting to 24 during the evening into the early overnight hours, and have colored our winds here yellow for a possibility of seeing that 25-knot gust during that time period. As far as our terminal forecast goes today, we're going to see VFR conditions. A slight chance we see a sprinkle between 1,800 and 2,100 local, but overall shouldn't see that across the region as the chances are very slim. We'll look into tomorrow morning. Going to see a slight chance of some low clouds, but overall good conditions expected tomorrow morning as high pressure remains in control as that front moves off the coast. Our tides are currently normal. Looking at Friday into Saturday, Friday mostly cloudy with a slight chance of a low clouds early, very slight chance of a rain shower by evening. We'll see a high of 63 degrees, so continued unseasonably mild conditions to wrap up the work week. And for Friday night, we'll see partly to mostly cloudy skies, very slight chance of a shower early, cooler and slightly breezy, a low of 38. And for Saturday, partly mostly cloudy and cooler, we'll see slightly breezy winds during the morning, a high of 48 degrees on Saturday, so more towards seasonal averages for the first half of the weekend. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. Hope everybody has a great day today. Back at 10 o'clock in look like 7 days.